Hi, I'm Eleanor. Today's video lesson is about using adverbs. We use adverbs when we describe what we do. So let's find out more. I love running. Every week I go running in the park with my friend Anna. Recently, we went to the park and I ran for an hour. I ran quickly and she ran slowly. After running, we were tired. I walked through the park and eventually got home. Let's look at the sentences and focus on the underlined words. Can you find the adverbs? That's right. Recently, quickly, slowly, and eventually are adverbs. Let's look carefully at the sentences. What does the word recently tell us about me and my friend going to the park? Recently tells us that we went to the park not so long ago. Recently refers to time. What do the words quickly and slowly tell us about me and my friend running? Quickly and slowly tell us about the speed of running. Quickly is at a fast speed and slowly is a slow speed. What does the word eventually tell us about me getting home? Eventually tells us that in the end I got home after a busy day. So, what is an adverb and when do we use adverbs? An adverb is a word that describes a verb. It gives more information about the verb. We use adverbs to describe how people do actions, including the frequency of the action, when the actions are done, and where the actions are done. Adverbs give more detail and more information related to actions. Let's look at some examples. Michael spoke clearly. Linda visits her parents regularly. Let's move on. How can we use adverbs in sentences? Let's take a look at one of the examples from before. I ran quickly. In the example, we have the subject pronoun I, then the verb ran in the past simple tense, followed by the adverb quickly. Most adverbs end in L and Y. To form adverbs, you add ly to the adjective. For example, the adjective is quick. To make it into an adverb, we add ly to the word quick. Adverbs that are formed this way are called regular adverbs. Let's look at some examples of regular adverbs. Recent, recently. Eventual, eventually. Usual, usually. Real, really. Slow, slowly. For adjectives that end in Y, you replace the Y with an I and add ly. Here are some examples. Easy, easily. Ready, readily. Happy, happily. What about the position of adverbs? Where do they go in a sentence? Adverbs can go in the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. They sometimes can be placed at the beginning of a sentence. Let's look at some examples. Dwayne usually travels by bus. She completed the course easily. Amazingly, they won the match. Many adverbs end in ly, however, some do not. Some adjectives don't have ly added to them. They are called irregular adverbs. For example, the adjective is good, but the adverb is well. Here are some more adjectives that you don't add ly to. Fast, fast. Hard, hard. Early, early. Daily, daily. Let's look at some examples. Leroy played well. She studied hard to pass for the exam. Charlie came home early. Now you can use adverbs. Today we reviewed what is an adverb, when we use adverbs, and using regular and irregular adverbs. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.